Hey guys, Tech Venture with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off or restart your iPhone 15 Plus in a few different ways. So let's get started. Now, the simple and the easiest way to turn off your iPhone is using either the volume up or volume down button. You're going to want to press and hold either the volume up or volume down button with the side button at the same time. So I'll use the volume up and then the side button. And you're going to press and hold both of the buttons at the same time for about 3 to 5 seconds, just like that. And when you do this, this menu to slide to power off will come up and you can simply slide to turn off your iPhone. Now, the second method, it's going to be through your setting of your iPhone. Simply open up setting on your iPhone and then scroll to general. And then all the way at the bottom here is option to shut down or turn off your iPhone. Now, if you click on it, it will activate the menu where you can slide to power off as well. Now, a third method includes using Siri. If you have Siri enabled, you can either say, "Hey Siri, power down," or activate Siri by pressing and holding that side button. "Hey Siri, power down."
Just to confirm, you want to power off this device?
Yes. And as you can see, Siri can also turn off your iPhone. All three of these methods will work. Now, you want to give about 10 to 15 seconds after the screen went black for it to completely turn off. And now to restart or turn it back on, all we do is simply hold that side button until we see the Apple logo appear on our screen. And at that time, we will let go of that side button. Now, after you have done that, or if it hasn't turned on, you can also plug it into a charger to charge it, which will activate it to turn back on if it's turned off, if the side button method isn't working, and you should be back to your main screen and good to go. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.